Hello guys, today let's have an immersive exploration of Taikoo Li in Chengdu downtown. I am Amy and I have been a local tour guide since 2011. And today I'm going to bring you to have a nice walk in this very popular area. As you can see on the two sides, many buildings have been quite ancient and they are really old local houses. And also the reason why Taikoo Li is so popular is mainly because I think it's a perfect combination of both the ancient history, culture, and also the modern culture. For example, in Taikoo Li we can see there are so many famous brands, but many brands have their own specialties of their own, such as this Louis Vuitton. This is a restaurant, and also the shop is just next to this restaurant. And also nowadays a lot of young people will go to this restaurant for afternoon tea. And also there are so many flag stores in this area, but also no matter in work days or at weekend, as you can see, there are still a lot of tourists here. Some people come here just to take a walk. Some people come here to try some coffee, nice restaurants, and also just to walk around. And also in this Taikoo Li area, as you can see, there are in total 3 floors, and now we're on the ground floor. And also, as you can see on this main street, there are a lot of international brands, and many people will come here to go shopping. As you can see, Starbucks are everywhere in our city and also in China. But this one might be a little bit different because they also have a bar on the 2nd floor. So for people, if they like to drink some cocktails, this is also a good place. And now we are at the center of this Taikoo Li. As you can see, there is a Apple's flag shop, and a lot of people come here to try their product every day. And we have a fountain here. Every day it attracts a lot of tourists and local people with their children here. Chengdu is a pet-friendly city, so as you can see in many shopping malls, people can walk their dogs and bring their pets, even going into the mall or the restaurant. Today is a winter season, so the sunshine is very precious to our Chengdu local people. And that's why sometimes you can see a lot of people sitting outside doing nothing but just enjoying the sunshine. Because Chengdu locates in Sichuan Basin and it's a plain, it's very flat. And also the altitude is only about, averagely, about 500 meters above the sea level. But around the Sichuan Basin, most of the mountains are as tall as 7,000 meters. So that's why through the whole year in Chengdu, we have about 200 days that are very, very cloudy. That's why for local Chengdu people, sunshine is much more precious than the luxury brands. In front of us, this is the biggest Lego shop in the whole middle and western side of China. And also it's just like a paradise for many children. What I like about this shop is they also have a lot of design related to our city, such as pandas, hot pot, even the face change. And here comes the flag store of Muji. Muji is a Japanese brand for daily groceries, but here this Muji is a little bit different because on the fourth floor, I think, they have a restaurant here. So sometimes people will come here, enjoy the afternoon tea, and also grab something to eat. This part of Taikoo Li containing a lot of the different restaurants, from Western style to Chinese style, and even some different bars. And also it's quite different at night. On my right side, this is a very ancient Buddhism temple, Daci Temple. And nowadays, it also attracts a lot of people come here to pray for themselves and their families or friends. Later, we're going to take a look of the gate. So far, as you can see, there are so many international brands in this area. I think it just shows the inclusive character of our city. Chengdu has been always very inclusive. And also different people from different parts of the world, different cultures can get together here. And also we have diverse kinds of foods. Many people think Sichuan foods are like very spicy, but actually except spicy foods, we also have different kinds of foods for people to enjoy. And this is also a very local Sichuan cuisine. And talking about foods in Sichuan cuisine culture, there is a saying, 100 dishes, 100 flavors. So if you don't like spicy flavor, when you come to Sichuan, don't be afraid. There are other 99 flavors for you to choose from. This is also a Sichuan local restaurant for Sichuan local dishes and some creative dishes. Sometimes they will offer some local snacks. This is another square in Taikoo Li area. From time to time, there will be some different exhibitions related to different holidays or different seasons. And also here on the right side, this is the Buddhism temple I mentioned before, that's the temple. It's very famous and also very peaceful, but some parts of it is now under construction. So maybe later I will choose some other time to give another introduction to you guys. Around the corner, this is a tea house, but I'm not sure if it's a local tea house. To me, I think it's a tea brand from maybe Taiwan. And also for Chengdu people, we like to drink tea, but most of the people will choose to drink green tea or jasmine green tea, because Chengdu is very close to the origin of tea culture, Ya'an. That's why in our daily life, tea is something very important to us. As you can see, a lot of people will also come here, find a seat, enjoy a cup of tea. This 0566 is a coffee brand from Japan, and I have tried it once. The coffee tastes good. Price is also okay, but depends on which kind of coffee beans you choose. Now in front of me is another shopping mall. It's called Jinronghui, which is very popular among our local young people because there are a lot of fashionable brands and also creative restaurants inside. If you guys like this type of place, maybe I can find some other time to give you another introduction. Now we have almost finished our tour for Taikoo Li ground floor. So this is the first time for me to do this video, and I based in Chengdu. If you guys want to visit Chengdu, please feel free to contact me. And also, because I don't write any script, just introduce our city to you according to what I see. If my English sometimes is not proper, please forgive me, and welcome to my city. So this is for today. Hope you like it.